-1 because it can't find the index for the relation.
Okay, so it doesn't find the element inside the array that is called -1, right? It's
Yes.
out of bounds. We only use starting from 0. We have an index for the list starting from 0, right? You cannot put
Yes.
-1. Okay, perfect. And yalla, so let me see. So yes, that is one of the ways that you are able to do that. Yes. So you understand, this is not allowed to put. I mean, this in one line is causing a trouble. You understand how to fix it?
Yes.
Can you show me fast here how you can fix that line here in the find by name?
Find by name or find by relation?
No, find by name first. Whatever you do in the find by name, is you're able to fix it. I mean, I'm talking about fixing the index -1. Okay, I tell you easier. Go down where you are calling the find by relation. Show me where is you find. Can you comment that line 119? Perfect. Where is find by name? Where you are calling the find by name? No, you have to call it down. So search for a wrong name. Why isn't it happy?
Well, because it can't find it.
Find by name. Okay, so it means that the same error can really happen with your find by name, right? So what I want to tell you now, that I want you to fix this index -1 now in front of me, because if you fix it in the find by name, you are able to fix it here. So you have to fix it here first, find by name, and then you can continue working on the find by relation. No, go here, here in the find by name. The error is in the find by name, right?
Yes.
Okay, interesting. Okay, you run it, please. Excellent. So you managed to solve the problem, right? But there is one little issue. The little issue here that, of course, I understand that in the exam, maybe they will not deduct too much, or maybe some examiners might really close an eye for that. You are calling here the binary by search 2 times. I notice you're a bit stingy when creating variables. I encourage you to create variables. You want to get the result out of binary search, no need to call it 2 times. Assign it to a variable and test the if statement with the variable. If it works, then yes, here, exactly. or binary result. Oh, yes, fine. Okay, perfect. Excellent. Okay, excellent. So you have done it and you're able to do it in the FindByRelation, right?
Yes.
So you give it a try and later we can see it. Yeah. Okay. So
Okay.
let us off your share, please. Okay. So Leo, we have worked a lot actually with 1D array so far. Am I right?
Yeah.
Do you know how? Have you seen this way of doing the for loop?
I have.
Okay, so you recognize the difference between that loop and that loop here.
Yeah.
Do you know when should we use which one?
Well, the one on the right, the one that like creates a separate integer, would be more useful if you like want to make use of that like index within the loop.
Excellent,
Yeah.
excellent.
Yeah.
Yes, and if you are just printing and you don't need to know the exact index position, then that will do the job, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's move to the next. And you're aware of that form, right? So this is the form of if we want to loop through an array in pseudocode. Are you aware or not?
Yeah. Yeah. The student, yeah.
Loop I from 0 to 6, and then you can print whatever.
Yep.
Okay. Let me understand one thing. Which one is more easier to you, Java or pseudocode?
I'd say, I mean, I'm more familiar with Java, but pseudocode's like easier in terms of difficulty.
Yes, but if you want to solve a complex question with pseudocode, it will take more lines.
Yeah.
Because of the simplicity that it has. But of course, yes, it's simple. Okay, so this is a 2D array, and you are aware of that? Do you know where is the rows and where is the? So how many rows here and how many columns here?
I think it would be 3 rows and 5 columns.
Perfect, perfect. And so are you familiar or have you seen if we have a 2D array that looks like that or even was declared this way? So that is the way that we loop through the rows and columns. So do you know how we managed to actually get the length of not the length, but the number of rows and the number of columns? So you see this is for rows. This for columns, the number of columns. So you
Yes.
make 2 for loops. You are aware of this way?
Yeah, I'm aware of it.
Okay, perfect. You have written already 2D array loops, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then what about this form of pseudocode? Are you aware of that? Have you seen it before?
Yeah, I've seen that.
So it is just simple. It's 2 loops also, but one for typically the rows and inside one normally for the columns. Are you aware if we want to so typically if you do the for loop this way and you have a 2D array in this way, so this is the row 1, row 2, and then so at the moment, how do you your loop it works like what? It works this way first or this way first? You understand what I'm telling you, or I need to
Yes.
elaborate?
Yes. In this case, it would work column-wise first, like from left to right. Yeah.
So it will go to the first row and finish the whole columns on the first row first, and then move to the second, right?
Yeah, and then move on to the next. Yes.
Perfect, perfect. Okay, that's good. So this is an exam question that is related to arrays. This is a 2D array. It's very rare that you find a question about 1D array because unless they use it for another target like dealing with recursion. So at the moment, this is a 2D array. They call it a dice dial. It means that they have actually 7 possible values for a dice, and they do that for 3 times this way, and then they want you to construct an algorithm in pseudocode to calculate the product of all the values stored in dice dial array. So they call that array dice I should return back to the red, is more clear. Okay, so we would like a way to be able to construct that. How to do that, Leo?
I'll calculating the product of all of the values.
Yes.
Well, what you could do for this is
Are you able to use your ability to be able to write a pseudocode? I think it's a good practice. So I will stop the share and then you can give it a try on your own and share with me. Okay.
where do I write the
You can just
pseudocode?
write in the because pseudocode cannot be compiled, so just write it in a place of you can create an empty file inside your repellent. Do you know how to do that?
Could I just like open like a notepad or something?
Yes,
Would
you
that work?
sure, yes, sure. Anything.
Okay. Well, I think I'll just start with the loop first and then work from there. I think that would work.
Okay, that's a good idea also. Yes. So we have rows from 0 to 6, Leo.
0 to 6.
Yes.
With the other one being from 0 to
0 to
3.
0 to 2. So we have 3 rows in total. So from 0 to 2.
It's just a dice. Wouldn't it be 0 to 5 because it's only 5 values? I mean, 6 sides of a dice.
No, sorry. Can you repeat again? I didn't hear you.
Well, it's a dice dial, so wouldn't it be 0 to 5 because that's a 6 values total?
Yes, I have to agree with you, but it seems that he managed to put it 6. I have no idea
Oh,
why he put it like that. It is possible that he, instead of I mean, it is possible that it is just a trial that he's so. Yes, it is possible. It's only have 6 faces. I have to agree with you on that, but it is possible that this is his trial. So it means that yes, he have 6 faces, but he tried to throw it for 6 times every time, and then he records that in a column, and then he goes to the second column, and so on. So yes, you are able to print this way. Do you know what is a product?
yeah, multiplying.
Okay, good. Excellently. Excellent. Excellent. That's it.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so as I said, you're excellent, except that in if you want to use pseudocode, don't mix between Java and or other languages with pseudocode. So typically we don't use int. So if you would like to just remove the word int, and then it will be excellently fine. So, and also just an alternative, so that you are aware of that, in pseudocode also you are able to, so if you have this dice dial, so you are able to use dice dial dot length instead of 6. 6 is acceptable, but I'm just giving you so but again, can you tell me what is the result of a length? Length will be 7, right?
Yes. So it would have
So
to be a length -1. Or
exactly. Yes. And what about 2? It is acceptable that you use dice dial 1 dot length -1. Is it clear?
yes.
Okay, then it's done. You don't need to do anything anymore. If you are aware of that, then it's fine. So you stop your share and we will continue. Or wait, Leo, sorry, because wait, you will still have to write that. So this is A in the question. I will send you the B requirement for the same question, which is dice dial. So let me send you that. Oops, that's wrong. Why this opens here? Well, I've seen that. Leo, can you Leo?
Yes.
Can you open can you check your WhatsApp, please?
Oh, sorry.
And you share your screen again, and I mean the same whiteboard, or even
Okay.
the text editor. It's okay. It's fine. So Leo, what we are trying to do at the moment is that he wants you to. He have a subprogram that's called duplicate num. It takes the dice dial 2D array and it takes an R. So this is it takes a row. Okay, Leo, we have to close and open again.